We'll guide you through how to change the Microsoft account on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you now use a different Microsoft account and so you want to go and change it in Windows 11. To get started, come to the bottom and press the Windows Start button and press Settings. What you then need to do is go over to the left and find the option for Accounts. You'll go and see our current Microsoft account here. We can scroll down and find the option Your Info. What we're going to need to do is go and sign in with a local account instead. Just keep watching though, tap there, make sure you read this through and understand it, and press next. Enter in your PIN. We now need to enter in some local account info here. Press next and press sign out and finish. Now it's going to be signed out. We can go and sign back in now. Press the Windows Start button at the bottom and press Settings. You'll go and see local account in the top left. Go to the left though and press Accounts, and we can scroll down, find the option for Your Info, then scroll down and we can tap Sign in with a Microsoft account instead. And we can now go and sign in with the account we want to change it to. After you signed in, you'll need to enter your current computer's password, and that's it. We've now gone and successfully changed it.